Auto-number rows in Excel. Need to number rows automatically in Excel without typing each number yourself. Here are 3 practical methods, from a quick built-in option to a reusable solution. Method 1. Use the fill handle. Enter 1 and 2 in the first 2 cells. Select both cells, then double-click the fill handle in the lower right corner. Excel recognizes the pattern and fills the numbers down automatically. Double-clicking works best when the adjacent column contains continuous data. If the adjacent column is empty or contains gaps, drag the fill handle manually. This method is quick for a short, one-time list. However, it creates fixed numbers that do not automatically close gaps after rows are deleted. Method 2. Use the row formula. Select the first cell where you want the numbering to begin. In this example, the first data row is row 5. Enter the formula equals row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, -4. Because the cell is in row 5, subtracting number 4 will return number 1. Press the Enter key. The row function returns the current worksheet row number. Then double-click the fill handle to copy the formula down. Excel automatically generates a continuous sequence starting from 1. If the adjacent data is not continuous, drag the formula down manually instead. Because the numbers come from formulas, they recalculate when existing rows are deleted. This helps keep the remaining row numbers in the correct order. However, the number you subtract depends on where the first data row begins. If the starting row changes, you must adjust the formula. You also need to fill the formula through the entire numbering range. For large worksheets, repeated numbering, or customized sequences, use Kutools for Excel. Method 3 provides a more flexible solution with Kutools for Excel. First, download and install Kutools for Excel, and then open your workbook. Go to the Kutools tab, click Insert, and select Insert Sequence Number. In the dialog box, click New to create a numbering rule. Enter the starting number, increment, and number of digits. You can also add a prefix or suffix to create customized numbers. Click OK to save the rule. Now select the range where you want to insert the numbers. For a single column, choose the column fill order. Keep the default fill vertically cell after cell option, and then click Apply. Kutools instantly fills the entire selected range. The numbering rule is saved, so you do not need to configure it again. When you need more numbers later, select another range and apply the same rule. The sequence can continue from where it previously stopped. There are no formulas to maintain and no fill handle to drag. One setup can be reused across multiple ranges and worksheets. Use the fill handle for a quick, one-time sequence. Use the row formula when the numbers should recalculate after rows are deleted. Use Kutools for Excel for customizable, reusable, and large-scale numbering.